Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best drones camera under $100.
Starting at number 5.
Holy Stone HS440. 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera, equipped with a 1080p HD camera that can be adjusted within 90 degrees by your remote control or the app. This drone can give you an exciting experience of aerial scenery from the 112 degrees wide-angle lens, and assist you to catch every wonderful moment from a bird's-eye perspective. Whether you're shooting at a deserted beach or capturing the details of a fun family reunion, HS440 can handle it all. Sweet airtime. Enjoy an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes with the powerful modular battery and capture and explore more of your surroundings. Small but mighty. Thanks to intuitive and advanced features packed in a foldable frame, HS440 provides complete freedom wherever and however you want to create. In addition, it's equipped with a carrying case which is very helpful for you to move the drone from one place to another. Explore your world without limitations. Simply operation for stunning content, HS440 carefully optimizes user experience and intelligent features. Thanks to automatic takeoff and precise hovering, operation is more streamlined and safer than ever. One key high-speed rotation would bring more fun amid flight. The possibilities are endless when the sky is your playground. Discover a new adventure. HS440 is a must-have for beginners with its intelligent functions such as emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold, as well as its user-friendly features such as its long flight time for every practice.
Coming at number 4.
WLtoys XK X1. This drone not only comes with GPS, but also a camera at the bottom for optical stabilization, so it flies more steady when close to the ground. You can use a micro SD card so the footage will not be recorded in poor quality on your phone. Speaking about footage, this camera records video in 2K resolution and takes 4K photos. Don't expect them to be too great, as the camera quality itself matters more than the resolution, but these are not bad either. Another great feat that you won't find on other drones on this list is the ability to change the camera angle from the transmitter, which is super useful, albeit the controller does make a weird sound when doing so.
At number 3.
DJI Tello. The DJI Tello is a game-changer in the world of budget-friendly drones, especially for those who love taking selfies. Priced under $100, it's an accessible option for both drone beginners and enthusiasts. What makes Tello stand out is its blend of DJI's renowned drone technology with an ease-of-use factor that appeals to a wide audience. It's small and lightweight, making it incredibly portable. Despite its size, it doesn't compromise on functionality or camera quality. The Tello is a perfect example of how you don't need to spend a fortune to get a quality drone experience, especially if you're into capturing great aerial selfies or videos. It's a drone that combines fun, creativity, and technology, all in an affordable package.
Number 2 of my list.
Hubsan X4 Quadcopter. Want to get started on perfecting your aerial photography skills without spending much? This $79.99 drone from Hubsan has a flight range of about 320 feet, and can stream live video to the 4.3-inch screen built into the controller. Slap in a micro SD card, and you can record your footage locally, too. The pairing between the transmitter and the drone is not successful. 1. Check whether the transmitter and the drone are all powered up or not. 2. Repair the drone and the chosen device. 2. Unable to unlock the engines. Make sure the drone calibration has finished. Make sure the home switch is down/off. Check that the joystick channels on the LCD monitor are correctly centered. If not, use the transmitter's adjustment knobs to adjust. If you are flying indoors, please set the fly with no GPS option in the default main menu no to yes. 3. Cannot search for GPS signals. Make sure the drone is not inside or between buildings. Please take the drone outside to receive GPS signals/satellites.
And number 1.
Cheerwing Syma X5 SWV3. This top-selling drone from Cheerwing USA is nimble, affordable, and feature-rich. Not only does the 6-axis gyro allow for highly stable flights, it also makes in-air tricks a real possibility. With some practice, you can perform 360-degree rolls while streaming a first-person view to your iOS or Android device. Upgrade 720p HD camera compared with old version. This new X5 SWV3 2021 VER is upgraded with 720p HD Wi-Fi camera to take better aerial photos and videos. With real-time FPV transmission, you can enjoy the first-person view fun through the smartphone app. More easily and stable upgraded with one-key takeoff/landing and altitude hold function, make the camera drone more easier access to kids, beginners, newbies without any skill. Just tap the one-key start button to start to fly the drone. It will auto-hover at a certain height, easier to control and more stable for aerial photography. Ideal toys drone for kids and adults. App control and trajectory flight through the app. You can control the drone without remote controller. And the built-in gravity sensor also allows you to fly your drone without touching your mobile screen. You also can draw your flight plan on the screen and the drone will fly accordingly. Free of remote control, more fun to fly.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.